Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable of the Mr. and Mrs. Lecturer of PPG Program Phase 4 2025. My name is Isniati and my student's number is 250-605-1120 with the program Education of English. Today I will conduct teaching practice about how much is it. That's all my introduction. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sit down. Ibrahim, sit down. Okay. Good morning, student.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, today before we study from belajar, we will pray. Okay, please you come here. Siapkan doa, doa ya. Before we study.
Attention please. Let's pray together.
Allahumma inni as'aluka ilman nafi'a wa rizqan thayyiba wa amalan mutaqabbala. Atina ya Allah, aku memohon kepadamu ilmu yang bermanfaat, rezeki yang halal, dan amalan yang diterima. Amin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, thank you. The next one, next one I will take the present, yeah. Please, if I call your name, you say present teacher, yeah. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Yeah. Abid.
Hadir sudah.
Present.
Present.
Yeah. Ini bahasa Inggris ya. Please study. Ya, nggak apa-apa. Hanif. Present. Ibrahim. Present. Inaya. Okay. Michelle. Muhammad Abid Kusnaidi.
Present.
Okay. Muhammad Fikri Abdullah. Muhammad Raka. Nafisa Nur Humairo.
No present.
Sik ya. Najwa Khairunisa. Najwa Wardatul Zahira. Gio Alvaro.
Present.
Rumaisa Aufa. Abid Atsokif. Okay. Okay, thank you. The next we will sing Indonesia Raya. Ya, please stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up ya. Okay. Let's sing Indonesia Raya. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Indonesia tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Di sanalah aku berdiri, jadi pandu ibuku. Indonesia kebangsaanku, bangsa dan tanah airku. Marilah kita berseru, Indonesia bersatu. we will remind about the last material. Minggu lalu sudah belajar tentang makanan dan budaya. Think for example, wah, coba ingat sedikit ya. We remind little about last week. What do you have for breakfast? Makanan yang, coba sebutkan makanan yang kalian makan hari ini. But you mention in English ya. What do you eat today? Chicken. Yeah. Chicken. All of you eat chicken. From MBA or from home? Chicken. Banana. Oh, very healthy. You?
Rice.
You? Huh? Milk. Milk is milk. Fish? Huh? Chicken. Okay. All of you, I think many students like chicken. But today we will study about how much is it. Ini voice, ini nanya apa nih?
Berapa
harganya?
Okay. To ask about price ya, harga. Mengapa kita harus tahu harga barang? Why? Coba.
Kita
Kok kita harus tahu sih harga barang? Kalau beli ya, saat apa?
membeli.
Ya, mau membeli harus tahu harga nggak?
Harus.
Ya, you should know the price. Kalau nggak tahu harga duit 2.000 beli barang 5.000 dapat nggak? Ya. Oke, selain tahu harga, bisa apalagi kalau mengetahui harga. Apa gunanya tahu harga supaya apa? Supaya why? Hebat. Hah? Hemat.
Wow.
Hemat ya. So you give a pocket money. You get pocket money. How much you money every day? Berapa uang saku? Your pocket money. How much in one day? Berapa uang saku sehari? Only 2,000? Are you sure? 10,000. Okay. You? 4,000. You Adit? 5,000. You? 10,000 ya. Jadi kita harus belajar hemat dengan tahu harga uangmu. I only have 10,000. Oh, the cake 5,000. It's mahal kan? Cari yang lain biar bisa nambung ya. Nah itu gunanya. Selain itu juga, lalu kenapa harus tahu dalam bahasa Inggris? Why should we study English? Do you know why?
Biar
Why should we study English? Why? Kenapa sih Ustazah harus belajar Inggris?
biar bisa
Keluar bisa negeri.
You go abroad ya untuk sekolah. Kalau pengen study abroad tuh lah ya, abroad tuh di luar negeri. You want to study abroad, you want to work kerja, work abroad. You must study English because English is international language. Ya, jadi wherever you go, kemanapun, kalau kemanapun pergi kemanapun, itu harus bisa bahasa English. So, because English is international language. Bahkan nggak harus ke luar negeri, kalaupun ingin di Indonesia, ada loh perusahaan asing yang wajib bisa berbahasa. Jadi penting nggak? Penting ya. Salah satunya now we study about how much. Okay? Okay, we continue. Do you? Look at this one. Look at this. You know what? What money, right? I have money here. I have money. Look. Do you have this money? Got this money only. It's only a thought, yeah. I want to give you money, and I want you mention the value, yeah. The value of the money. Okay. But this is only toy. This is not real money. You cannot buy this in canteen. And please don't destroy it. Don't destroy it. Jangan dirusak karena nanti masih bisa dipakai lagi. Okay. This for you. For you. But don't use it to buy food in canteen because this is not real money. Still, I have still money here.
Ini belum selesai, belum selesai.
The other.
Ini 50 ada.
Money. Only got 10,000. You must speak in English. Ah. Oh, you have much money, right?
Yes,
Okay.
I have money.
Please mention the value of money you have. Okay? But I want to ask you first. Look at me first, alright? Lihat semua dulu sini. Nah, look at me first. Kalau nanya ini uang berapa gimana? How to say in English if you want to ask?
How much?
Ya. If you want to ask ini uang berapa? Gimana nanyanya? How?
How much is it?
Oh.
How much money? How much money?
Atau kalau uangmu berapa? Gimana nanya? How much money
Your money?
you have?
Oh.
How much money do you have? Coba let's repeat many times, okay? Listen and repeat after me. How much money do you have?
How much money do you have?
Again, how much money do you have?
How much money do you have?
Again, how much money do you have?
How much money do you have?
Coba yang cepat ya, kalau orang ngomong Inggris kan beda ya. How much money do you have?
How much money do you have?
Tapi nggak usah balapan. Terus, how to answer? I have.
I have.
I have. Uang kalian hitung ya, hitung semua. You count all of the money that you have. I have blah, blah, blah.
10,000.
Yeah.
I have 30,000.
Okay. Let me look at me. I have money here. I want to ask you and please you answer. Why is it small? Okay, look at me. Answer ya. How much money? How much is it?
1,000.
1,000. How much is it?
2,000.
How much is it?
20,000.
20, right? Oh, you so smart for money. How much is it?
10,000.
How much is it?
5,000.
How much is it?
1,000.
I think all of you like this.
100,000.
Yes. Do you like this?
Like.
Yes.
I like.
Me too. But I like the real one, not this one. Okay, and now I have two here. I can count it. How much is it?
2,000.
21,000. Very good. Next. How much is it?
6,000.
How much is it? 110,000. Okay, now I want to ask money you bring. Okay, how much money do you have? Louder. How much money do you have? Okay, good. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? 90,000. How much money do you have? 20,000. How much money do you have? 20,000. How much money do you have? 30,000. How much money do you have? Okay, how much? 10? Okay. How much money do you have? 30,000. How much money do you have? 30,000. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? Okay. I want to 2 by 2 stand up in front of class. Yeah, you first from you. Go in stand up in front of class. Yeah. Stand up in front of class. Stand up. Yes, stand up. Okay, you only ask your friend and you answer how much money do you have, and then you say I have. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You say how much money? Hmm? You know, now you ask. How much money? 50,000. Okay, thank you. The next one. You count the money now. Okay, you stand up. Yeah, louder ya. Yeah.
Aku kaya. Mana 51,000? 16. 50.
Okay, done. Next you. You come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. You ask first, then change you on to also ask. You ask how much money you answer. How much money do you have? Yeah, you answer how many?
Kita koruptor. Itu koruptor nggak? Di tempat mana yang bentuk burung?
Ya, warnanya.
Okay, thank you. Sit down. Okay, the next one, Mitchell and you. Right with him.
Harus sama Gio lo kecil.
Yeah, come here.
Kan sebagus. Dia dari sini.
It's okay like ya udah. So you with him, so you with him. Okay. Okay. You first you count the money how much first and then you ask. Okay. Yeah.
10.000. Katanya ibunya ada kitanya.
Okay, thank you. The next one. Come here. Easy.
How much money?
Listen first to your friends. Now.
60,000. How much money do you have?
50,000. Okay, thank you. The last one, boy. Come here, the last one. Stand up. First, you count first how much money you have, yeah? Okay.
How much money do you have?
I have 21,000. How much money do you have?
I have 31,000.
Sama-sama gak ingin.
Thank you, sit down. Now, please give the money to me. I will. Oh, why? Give it back. Give back all the money. Give it back.
No, my money.
Give it back. Give it back.
My money.
Give it back. Give it back. Give it back.
Ambil lah, nanti orang patahin juga itu.
No, it's not
Orang patahin
mine.
nanti.
Okay, now I want you to prepare your notebook. You take your notebook. I will give you quiz. I don't care. I will give you quiz.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, notebook. Take your notebook and pen. Take your notebook. Your notebook. Notebook. This is notebook. Take your notebook and your pen. I will give you quiz. Book. Yeah, see book. Notebook. Okay. Okay. Ready? Oh, you use the other book. Okay.
Indo biji koli itu. Mana sekali? Sekali.
Okay, the picture. Now, number 1, 2, 3. Please write the value. Yeah, this is how much? For how much? No, draw. Gak usah gambar ya. Aman, ya. Only write. This is number 1, right?
Tulis saja.
Yeah. But only the answer. Tulis jawabannya aja ya. Okay. For example, this one. Ya. Ini how much is it?
Itu dua kan sudah.
Ini I I give number ya. Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
Tulis semua ya, Ustazah.
Ya, tapi gak usah digambar ya. Jadi number 1 ada number 1A, number 1B, number 1C. For example, contoh di buku tulis gini, nomor 1. How much is that? 200 in 200. Ini 4? Okay, 400. 400 or 4,000?
400.
B. Okay, so number B. What is B here?
100.
1,000. Okay, you do it in your book.
1,000.
1,000. This is 1,000. 500 and 5,000. This is 1,000. 1,000. You write in your book. For number 4. Please hitung semua uang ya. Ini berapa ini?
Cara tulis 1,000 gimana?
Okay, wait, 1,000 like this ya. Ini ya.
Tulisan
Yeah, this is to write 1,000. This is how to write 100. Okay? Lagi yang nggak bisa, boleh? Ya ini nomor 2A nih. 2A, berapa uangnya? Ini 1,000, ini 1,000 kan? So how much? This is 2,000, 2,000. How much? Yeah, you count it. So number 2, number 1, A, B, C. Number 2, A, B, C. Number 3, A, B, C. Number 4, you count all of this money. Coba jumlah ini sebenarnya suruh lingkari ya. Pak, karena ini sudah dilingkari. So I want you count the money. Ini 100, 100, 100. Hitung semua coba. Jadi nomor 4 tidak ada beda. Ini loh, ini nomor 2A, nomor 2B, nomor 2C, nomor 2D, B, nomor 2 ada D. Nomor 3A, 3B, 3C, 3D. Biar nggak segambar. Oke, understand?
Udah tulisin satu atau semua itu bilang aku.
Semua lah. A berapa, B berapa. Oke? Ya. Ini ya, ini. Iya, ini kan 500 sih 500 ini how much? 1,000. 1,000. 100. Oke? 100, 100, 1000, 1000.
Itu semuanya sudah diapakan berapa?
Ya, coba berapa? Coba. How much? 100, 100, 200, 400,000. 400,000. This is 100. So 500,000. And coba kita hitung sama-sama ya. 100. Ini 100 sama 200 200-an 400 500
1000 ya Sasa.
1000 so 2000. This one let's recount. 1 2 3 4 5 500,000.
Boleh dia kan?
And berapa ini? How much is it? Ini tarik share.
Yang nomor 4 itu ditambahkan ya.
Ini. Number 4, this one. You don't need to do number 4. Number 4 have done. Yeah, number 4 done. You just do for number 1, 2, and
Itu
3.
jawabannya 500. Sudah.
519,000 rupiah.
Sudah. Tuti. Jadi 4.
Sahabat ambil baris. Ya.
Sebentar.
Ya.
4 gak usah.
So if you have done, please stand up in front of class. Only asking.
Apa ya? Ada. Yang kedua.
Okay, done? Yuk, siapa yang udah? Who have done? Stand up. Please stand up. Yeah, stand up. Udah. Yeah, stand up in front. Stand up in front of class. Yeah, stand up. Only stand up. You. You mentioned A. Yeah. This is 400 rupiah.
Yang nomor 4 gak usah dikerjain ya sudah.
Okay, number B. You number B.
Kenapa nggak saya kerjain?
Nomor 4 juga ya?
Udah selesai.
Wanna try after here?
Itu loh di depan.
Yo.
Di bawah kita harus sampai situ loh. Dua. Berapa? 20. Dua aja tahu. Dewe. Gitu ini dibikin susah. Tui.
Okay. So number B, 1,000. Yeah. Again, who want to try? Come here. Right. Number C, come here.
Aiwan.
Mana lagi?
Aiwan.
Mana yang C? A. Mana A?
Mana B?
Oh iya.
Mana C? Mana C?
Mana C?
Ya, tangannya jangan kena. Susah.
2,000 lagi, 100 lagi.
Ya Allah. Aku sudah.
Setiap bingung aku jadi pakai kamu.
Tidak kena. Terima kasih. Susah kali sumpah tulisnya.
Lagi.
1,000.
Bukan lah itu.
Okay, next, wanna try?
Ah,
Number 2A.
sama loh yang jawabannya. Susah kali nulisnya. Allah. Memang gua Nora. Kayak kakek Om kan. Memang gua Nora. Masih kan tuh.
Ending.
Memang gua Nora. Dip. Memang gua Nora. Kakek Om kan. Memang gua Nora.
Okay, thank you. Want to try again? Come here. 4B. This one.
Kerjaan mana ini?
Siapa yang punya tip X?
Chance.
Siapa yang punya tip X?
Wicet.
Itu orang bilang ya Allah, bilang kayak.
Okay, the next one. You wanna try the next one? You wanna try? Come here, you. Number C. Number C, this one. C, this one.
Sama kayak ada.
Your hand, you cannot touch the screen.
Apa lu kerja? Memang dua Nona. Duduk di tempat aneh.
Okay, the next one to try. Come here. Yeah, come here. Come here. There is still 1, 2, 3. Nanti kalau yang ini nggak kebagian, the next nanti yang selanjutnya ada kebagian kan? Okay, let's try number 3.
Six, seven. Yo. Oh dia tulian ini. Tujuh.
Don't angry. Angry with your friend. Kopiannya kayak saya. Bunga, kayak dari suruh ya. Singkat saja ya. The next one, let's try you. You want to try something? Number 8. Hurry up ya. Hurry up. Oh! Number 3, 8. This one. Oh, this. Oh my. Yeah, how much is it?
Makanya jangan digelitiin. Ana bilang jangan digelitiin. Gak usah dorong. Gak usah dorong gelitin.
Ini. Okay, thank you. The next one. Yes, you go lagi. Yes, you go. One, two. Come here.
Ano tahu?
Nah, ini kan yang belum nih kan.
Ini belum dapat 3 ini belum. Ada udah salah. Soalnya ada yang tadi salah. Soalnya ada yang
Okay, let's sit down. 100,000. 100 like that.
Gak dikumpulin sada.
Oh yeah, sini. You also did it. I will give a score. What's the says? What's the says?
Ayo.
Have you done? Can you try number C? Hurry up. Lima dan 75. You count. 75 plus 75, how much? How much is this? 150? We will hurry. We will continue. The D, maybe you try number D. You didn't try. You? Have you tried? Have you tried to write the answer? Udah. Belum. You want to try?
I am the
Submit. Ya. Belum kan? Nanti Ustazah kasih kesempatan untuk yang berikutnya. Ini kan dulu ya. You first. Iya, no. You next. Sorry. Oh yes, man here.
Wow. Apa sih kata Cek? Yang berani bilang 6-7 di sini anak-anak bukan deh. Hah? 150.
Okay, can you sit down? Sit down, please. Sit down, Okay, the next. Write for number D. Ayo cepat. Jangan. Okay. So, how much is it? 200 pounds. Okay, let's read together. Okay, are you ready? We will read the money. No kidding, no playing, and no talking. Let's read 400 rupiah. 1, 2, 3.
400 rupiah.
No, I cannot hear. 400 rupiah. 1,000 rupiah. 2,000 rupiah. 2,000 rupiah. 4,000 rupiah. 10,000 rupiah. 20,000 rupiah.
20,000 rupiah.
How much? 1, 2, 3.
4,000 rupiah.
40. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
40,000 rupiah.
Okay.
100,000 rupiah.
This one.
150,000.
Okay. Once again. 1, 2, 3.
150,000.
150,000 rupiah. 1, 2, 3.
150,000 rupiah.
200,000 rupiah.
200,000 rupiah.
Okay, thank you. We will continue. Yeah.
Bisa
about money. Nah, berikutnya the next one, we will study. We will study about the price. Okay, we still have time. Okay, whose book is this? Whose book is this? Okay. The next one, we will study about price. Do you know what price is? What is price?
No, Mas.
What is price?
Harga.
Yes, very good. Jadi setiap makanan kan last week you study about the food, right? Every food you eat there is a price. Yeah. For example, I have a picture here. Look at me. Do you know what fruit is it?
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
What? Do you know what is it? Watermelon. And no plate, please. Please no plate. We still have how many times? Yeah. Please 20 minutes. Maybe 20 minutes. Please don't make. Look at the price. There is a price here. Can you see it? Okay. You bring it one by one, and you see the price of you see the price of the food that you bring. Yeah, look at this.
Gampang.
Okay.
Lemon warna merah. Masih mending.
Every food here, there is a price. Okay. I want you to mention the price of food that you bring. 5,500. 5,500.
Ada tahu tidak?
How much?
Apa sih?
14,700.
Okay. Yeah. Please look at the food. I will ask you one by one. First look at my picture here. What I need is too small, yeah?
Tomato.
How much is the tomato? How much is the tomato?
8,000.
Yes.
How much is it? How much is the tomato? Jadi, cara bertanya harga.
Mirip ini.
Misalnya ini di kantin ya. There is in the canteen there are many foods. And you want to ask the price. Mau pengen tahu harganya karena ingin beli. Ya. Kalau nggak tahu harganya, repot nanti duitnya habis. Ya. Contoh, you want to buy berry atau you want to buy what's this?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. You want to buy pineapple. Pengen beli pineapple, but there is no price list. Gak ada harga. And you want to know about the price. How to say? How much?
How much
is the
Pineapple.
Ayo.
Jadi disebutkan nama bendanya. Cara bertanya, how much is the pineapple? How much is the tomato? How much is the burger? How much is the book? How much is the rambutan? How much is the cherry? How much is the avocado? How much is dragon fruit? How much is? Okay, oh yeah. Now, I want to ask you, how much is the star fruit? How much is the star fruit? Gini, ini Pak Kelompok tanya teman, tanya harga barang ya. You ask your friend about the price that your friend have. Yeah, make a group, ask the price. Look at you ada belakang. Ya, tanya ini. She has a melon. You ask her. How much is a melon?
Bapak pipi lah.
Ya,
How much?
saling bertanya ganti-ganti. How much is? Percaya di belakang apa? How much is? How much is?
How much?
Starbucks.
Saya apa sudah?
Which one? Star fruit.
Saya ini beli dan living room.
Ya Allah.
Apa coba?
Ya, gini loh. Yang lagi apa ya? Mama mirip makan di PPP.
Okay. Look at this. Yeah. Dah. Let me see your conversation. Give it to me. Jangan tadi. Dah. Dah saling bertanya. Have you asked your friend about the price? Have you asked your friend about the
Sekali ya.
Thank you.
Let's see the screen here.
Dia ganti baju nih.
Okay, I have picture. Can you see my picture? Look at this one.
Tuh.
Bigger. Okay. Look at the screen. Look at the screen. Look at the picture. How much is a bucket of flour?
5,000.
Okay. I want to ask guru boy, yeah, guru boy. How much is a bucket of flour?
50,000.
Okay, 50,000. Yeah, okay, good. Understand? Repeat, yeah. How much is a bucket of flour?
50,000.
How much is a packet of sugar? Girl, where is the girl? How much is a packet of sugar? 55. How much is the boy? Yeah, boy. How much is a bowl of meatball? How much is a bowl of meatball? 30,000. Okay.
Sudah.
Okay.
I want to go to
Yeah. Okay, now we will have reflection about our study today. Okay, you want to go to the camera? Let's go. Okay, I want to ask you something. We will have reflection. instruction. Okay? Before we close. Before we still 10 minutes, yeah. Before we close our study, once again, yeah. Oke, tolong dulu ya. Kita mau tutup ya. Stay sit down ya. Oke, sit down. Sit down, Nabi. Nah, Ustazah punya pertanyaan. Bagaimana? How do you feel today? Bagaimana perasaan hari ini setelah belajar main? Oh, happy ya. Jadi, can you ask about the price in English? Sudah bisa bertanya harga barang dalam bahasa Inggris? Sudah. Sudah bisa menyebutkan jumlah uang dalam bahasa Inggris?
Yes.
Ya. Jadi perasaannya senang. Ternyata belajar bahasa Inggris itu sangat bermanfaat. Nah, sekarang kalau misalnya bisa jualan atau apa, jualan atau mau beli barang, ternyata dia sedang sekolah di luar negeri. Jadi dia nggak bingung, nggak usah cari Google. Dia lihat barangnya berapa ya uangku, he can ask how much is it? How much is it? Oh, 5,000. Oh, itu 20. Ya. Oke. Nah, sebelum kita tutup, coba Ustazah punya satu pertanyaan, coba ditulis. Coba tulis satu kalimat kesan dan pesan setelah belajar. Nah, satu aja. Yuk. Mau tulis di sini? Satu aja. Yang dua aja. Cepat-cepat. How do you feel today?
Happy Loni. Bukan aja ini.
Emang apa hubungannya Hanif sama Nurdin?
P-nya 2 kali. Noodle.
Perasaan menulis. One person. Nah, sit down again.
Yang sudah.
Yes, next.
6, 7. 6, 7.
Adik, sekarang kita nanti.
Happy,
6, 7.
Kita doa ya. soalnya tadi?
Ana. Tadi.
Ini Adib kalau
Iya
udah.
loh, tadi yang mimpin doa. Yang mimpin doa.
Nanti. Ayo doa. Doa.
Ya Allah.
Doa dulu.
Attention please. Let's pray to God.
Subhanallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik.
Greeting.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Balik.
Thank you.
No 6, 7. Kali kan.
You can write right there.
Adit. Agak bisa kan?
3 menit.
Ma, dia Adit bisa itu. Lah. Boleh tangan loh, Beb. Apa sih?
One by one.
One by one, Be. Ada tadi kita tadi.
One by one.
Satu dong.
Okay, that's all for my performance, teaching performance. Thank you very much for the examiners. I hope that I will get a great score. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Kami lagi loh kalian ini.
Aku buat tawuran mereka, tawuran.
Kami lagi loh.
Woi, Adit bentar, Dip.
Anip. Awas panjang.
Buat celurit mereka, buat celurit.
Anip.
Adit. Dua madu, dua. Adit keluar. Ini di Geraga.
Kalau gini gua awas loh. Kami mau loh.
Harus tuh. Ada macam apa? Sekarang ada Surabi ya. Siapa? Oh, siapa? Pegang aja. Saya minjem sticknya sudah. Balas, Bet. Balas.
Minjem sticknya sudah.
Bisa dipakai.